Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. Now to make this hair growth spray, you are gonna need some rice water. If you don't know how to make rice water, I have a video in the description box, you can check it out. Now you're also gonna need some aloe vera gel, and if you don't know how to extract aloe vera gel, I have a video in the description box, go check it out. Now another very important thing you are gonna need is a spray bottle. And I have here my big spray bottle. Now with the help of a funnel, I'm just gonna put the aloe vera and the rice water into the spray bottle. Then I'm gonna shake till it mixes up very well. Now our hair growth spray is ready. And this is how to use it. When your hair is dry and dehydrated, just spray a little bit on it. This also makes it very easy to detangle. Now you can come in with your brush and brush it out. Make sure you put it on the scalp too, because this is gonna stimulate the scalp to grow more hair. This spray makes detangling so easy. It prevents hair fall and it adds that luster to your hair. It is light and it doesn't leave your hair greasy. It defines your curls and keep your hair hydrated the whole day. When used every day or every other day, you are gonna see great improvement in about 2 weeks. Both aloe vera gel and rice water are very good for hair growth, and the combination of the two is a bomb. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.